Hello, teacher.
Hey, Geordie, how are you?
I'm tired.
I can see that. You look like you've just run a marathon through a minefield.
I've just had an online meeting with my colleges in Runcorn.
Your colleges?
My mates, the people I work with.
Ah, your colleagues.
Sorry, colleagues.
Mates means friends or buddies. Workmates refers to co-workers or colleagues. It emphasizes the professional context of the relationship.
Okay, got it.
Geordie, do your colleagues speak very fast?
While most of my colleagues articulate their words clearly,
Some of them sound like they're on fast forward.
they speak really fast, they have strong accents, and they use loads of phrasal verbs and colloquial expressions. I feel like the cables in my brain are tangled.
And it's causing a short circuit. It's like
I know that feeling. One of my colleagues is from Glasgow. It sounds like he's speaking another language. On the other hand, it's so easy to understand you. Teacher, do you think you could teach my colleagues in Runcorn to speak like you?
Now, there's a thought.
Would you mind if we finish now? I'm feeling very busy after that meeting.
No problem, Geordie.
Thank you, teacher. I'm going to disapparate now. Bye.
Bye then.